Hey guys, this is Nick and welcome back to episode 25 of Based No Launcher Setup series. Star Wars is everywhere, so why not we add one thing to it? So here I am with the new setup. This is a simple setup, but I guess you will like it. Make sure to hit like if you enjoy it. Let's set the target of 150 likes. I'm sure you will help me to reach there. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell icon to get the latest content. Now I guess you have done that. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to any file explorer and go to the directory where you have downloaded your files and find the wallpaper. It's over here. Okay, set it as your wallpaper. Home screen. Now wallpaper is set, so let's move to home. Let's restore our no backup. Long press on home, click on the settings, go to the backup and import settings, click on the restore or manage backups. Now click on the browse at the end, and in this, on the 3 bar on top, click on the file explorer. Now go to the directory where you have downloaded your files and select the NOAA backup file. Click OK to override current layout. And once that is set, go to home. Now as you can see, backup is restored. Now we need to set your widgets. First we will set the second widget. So let's click on it. Now we need to click on the new on top. Now click on the plus on top to add the shape. Okay, now change the shape from square to rectangle, and here change the width from 20 to 60 and the corners change it to 360. Okay, once that is completed, click on the paint, go to the color and change the color from white to FFB8 1028. Okay, so this is the color. This is already given in the description, so you can copy and paste it from there. Now go back, go to the touch. Now over here in the custom action, click on it, click on the action, select the launch shortcut. Over here in shortcut, select no action and action will be app drawer. Now click on the save and move to home. You will find it will open app drawer. So these are the icons from flat white. So if you are not getting this, then just long press on it, click on the edit, click on this icon and change this icon from flat white over here. Okay, so you will get it. Now we need to set our first widget, but as it is free setup, so let's set some free widget over there. So let's click on it, click on the hook, and over here we are setting this widget. Okay, now over here in the layer, increase the size to 124, sorry, and in this change the scale from 20 to 25. Okay, that's it. Save it and go back, check the touch and delete that and save it. Now I guess it is looking amazing, but you can make it better, right? I know. So if you can make a better version of this using this wallpaper, then share that with me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll be really happy to see your creativity. And if you want to set any other setup, then here is the playlist, check it out. With that being said, this is Nick signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, thanks for watching and stay creative.